Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this week, I let you know that the Snapdragon X2 release date could have confirmed when Windows 11 26H1 would be rolling out. And as I mentioned in the video, which will be linked if you'd like some more information, more details had become available as to a possible release date. Now, just to let you know that at the CES 2026, the Consumer Electronics Show, ASUS now has confirmed that laptops with Snapdragon X2 processors will roll out with Windows 11 version 26H1 in the first quarter of 2026. So if you find yourself in the Northern Hemisphere, that will be in spring. And if you are in the Southern Hemisphere like me, that would be autumn. And this is now confirming what I had already suggested in previous videos. Now, just a quick recap. Existing PCs will not get Windows 11 version 26H1 when it does roll out in the first half of this year. But something to take note of, Microsoft has said, though, that improvements and features that are not tied to specific hardware will make it to the general public in the second half of 2026, which will be the big feature update for everyone, which will be Windows 11 version 26H2. And that is expected to start rolling out the end of September, the beginning of October. Now, this is exactly what Microsoft did back in 2024 when Microsoft released Windows 11 24H2 for Copilot Plus PCs only. And then a few months later, the update rolled out for all existing computers and devices as that year's big annual feature update and feature drop. Now, just take note that Microsoft has already said that 25H2, which was last year's annual feature update, and 26H1 will be identical when it comes to the features that are available, very similar to what we get with 25H2 and 24H2 in regards to the same features are literally available in both versions. And the purpose of 26H1 is to provide the necessary platform updates and changes to support those new chips, as in Snapdragon X2 processors. And unlike Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2, which share the same platforms or branch, Windows 11 versions 26H1 and 26H2 will be based once again on a new release. Unlike 25H2, which was enabled using an enablement package built on top of 24H2, 26H1 and 26H2 will be based, as mentioned, on a new release. So that means that it will be getting a full system update once again later this year with 26H2. And that's exactly what happened with 24H2. So I certainly hope that we don't have a repeat of 24H2 with 26H2, which is a whole new release. So hopefully Microsoft will get it right with 26H2, unlike how they got it wrong with 24H2 in regards to issues. But nonetheless, just keeping you all on the same page, 26H1 looks like it's going to be rolling out in spring or autumn, depending where you find yourself in the world. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.